equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see 2 screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, it's important to keep track of all screws to avoid losing them during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery away from the vacuum. If it feels stuck, you can use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose, but be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors inside the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. After that, retrieve the screws you set aside earlier and reinsert them using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can strip the screws. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the internal compartment of your vacuum. Use the clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson SV10. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once you've completed the battery installation and cleaning, plug your Dyson SV10 back in and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working correctly, you should notice improved performance. If you encounter any issues or if the vacuum doesn't turn on, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Finally, if you prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we can arrange for a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Dyson SV10. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.